Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about Textbot. I get asked all the time, hey Leah, what are you doing for advertising? So today I wanted to show you with Textbot some of the things that I do and kind of what I post. So right here you can see this program is absolutely amazing and you can make money all the time. So right now this is for an active member and the AVA Plus member. So this is $100 that you can make instantly, and the AVA Plus is $500. So you can make over $600 for everyone that does join you with the basic and AVA Plus. This is a perfect software for anyone who has a business. It doesn't matter if it's CBD, health business, maybe you're doing a weight loss, maybe you're an insurance agent or a real estate agent, anything like that. This is absolutely amazing. It allows you to use Textbot to promote a business. And so what I like doing, even in the custom keywords, you can plug in your custom keyword along with a phone number and monitor what people are doing. So right here I've set up a couple of these don't work as well as the others, so you kind of want to promote the ones that are doing well. Now I'm doing 3 clicks, that's for my marketing program. This is 7 days. This is allowing you 7 days to test out Textbot for $10. That's not ready yet, but it is coming here soon. If you're looking at that when this video goes up, just let me know. AVA Plus is the $500 system. It allows you to check out a little bit more about AVA Plus. If you have a business on CBD, go ahead and use that. Get Paid did not work for me. Now I am showing these in blue. Maybe my CBD was working for a short time, but is not working now. So definitely monitor if you do get into Textbot, monitor your keywords and make sure that they're working. Now you can see that my leads and houses, which would be more real estates and marketing, are doing really well. And here, scam is already something in the system, I believe, that is already there. 10 is another one allowing you to use the Textbot system for $10. And you can see Textbot is not doing well. I think the blue is not doing well. Here I'm advertising my husband's business. We do a window tinting business and video. Video is my biggest one, though I do promote and makes it super simple and easy. So let me jump over to my Facebook page and show you what I post so you can see what that would look like. All right, so jumping over to my Facebook page, here you can make simple and easy posts. So I just put selling real estate, text 386-518-0202 and put in the keyword houses. So this allows any company or any business to be able to go ahead and start using the phone number and keywords. That way you can monitor it, how people are coming into your Textbot. So here, this one is talking about skyrocketing your business fast. So text 386-518-0202 with the keyword 7 days. So this gives you an opportunity to go ahead and do that. Here you can also see I'm doing offline and I'm doing postcards. So remember that you don't have to do this just online. You can definitely do this offline. You can do this in ads or advertising or anything like that. So you have a huge opportunity to share this anywhere you would like. So jumping back over to Textbot, you can see which ones are working and which ones are doing well. Right there is the 7 days, and then the other one was houses. So right here I have a few of those. So a great way to set up different businesses, maybe you have landscaping or insurance or a beauty shop or anything like that. This is going to allow you to go ahead and share that and stay in touch with others, because you also have a chat system right here in the back office for that individual that might be jumping in. So this one's asking for info. Well, the system will automatically do that, but I'm not sure what's happening here. So I could say, hey, it's Leah. Are you looking for more information on Textbot? This will go directly to their phone number and give them a text. I'm here to help. and then just hit enter. When it does do info, it should be doing that. And if they were online, you would be able to get that text back right away also. So I could also jump into one of my other pages and pick up one of my pages that would allow them to learn more about TextBot and be able to see if this is what they want. So right here is my landing page. I can just grab the URL from the top of the page, and this will just give more information about what is TextBot, what can you do, what is it, what's available. So I have videos in here. You can click to see how it works. You can click here to call me. I definitely don't hide. This is a great time to get started in making money from the comfort of your home. So here, this will be exactly what I will send them. So I will copy that, jump back to TextBot and say, hey, take a closer look at TextBot here. And if you need help, just let me know. Thanks, Leah. And that way I can work right in my back office of TextBot and text these individuals. But you can also see this one said 7 days. I can respond back in 7 days. So the system was working for me and telling them what was in there, because that's exactly the information I wanted them to get. So they did do it twice. I don't know why. So we could say, for more information on TextBot, the $10 option is not available yet, but is coming soon. Let me know if you need more info. Thanks, Leah. So I can go ahead and hit enter, and the purple is me. But if you leave it on AVA, it'll still continue. If they ask questions, AVA will continue to answer those. And here, I can just do it right in here. If I want to take over the conversation, just go ahead and switch it to you, and you can just automatically take AVA out of there. So here, I think this person contacted me about my keyword. Do you have a CBD business that you need to advertise? This TextBot is super fun to share with others and see your business. Let me know. Thanks, Leah. Hit enter. And then that way you're staying in touch with these individuals that are in here. I know Calvin just signed up, but right here, this one, yes, yes, I don't know what that means. And you can just keep staying in touch. You can monitor the numbers here. I kind of monitor to make sure this is a real number, and it's off, so I don't know if that's why it's not responding. So in my dashboard, it's going to allow me to see that information and be able to stay in touch with individuals that are doing those keywords. So you can see this grow really easy. Right here will be my recent signups and my recent opt-ins. Sometimes I'll check in with my opt-ins depending on my time and let them know about what's coming up. But right here is an amazing system that you can do. So now I was talking about advertising. Right here, you can go ahead and jump into resources and swipe copy. If you don't know what to post, go ahead and copy this. It goes right to your clipboard. And I use one called Herculist. So Herculist is a great system that you can go ahead and advertise, super simple and easy. I just jump into add mailers. And now I do want to do this see somebody else is already posting this one. So somebody wants you to go to Textbot. So I do have multiple businesses, so I might start promoting something a little bit different, or just make sure your mailer looks very different as a different opportunity. So now I forgot what I just copied. So let's see here. Oh, okay. So I copied the message. One of the things, if you want to do HTML, jump into an HTML editor. I do this html-online.editor.com.editor. Super simple, easy. It's what you see, what you get. I just copy and paste. Copy and paste the information in there. I will kind of bold it, make it a little different, and add this. So if this is complicated, you know, don't do it. You can just copy and paste right over there. I like to use my own pages, so I will copy that and jump back into the editor. And no problem pasting today. Let's see here. I like to take these out, paste them, and do 𝗬𝗂. Now, since this isn't really aligned or online with anything, what you have to do if you want to add an image, I use post image. Super simple, easy, it's free. It allows you to use whatever you want. So I've already made these images. You can click on share, just copy that direct link, jump back over here, and I'll just hit enter. I'm going to grab image. I'm going to paste it. Advanced, I don't worry about. Sometimes you do. Hit OK. Now I know the image is too big. Grab these corners and just pull it down to the size that you want. So also with this text, I feel it's a tad bit small for Herculist. So we will jump over here, and I believe it's format, but no. All right, so somewhere here is text. Why am I not seeing this at the moment? But this is also cool too. Go ahead and do this. You want to, I'll do a red, jump to the other side, which is the background, and do yellow. So that way it'll stand out and really do that. All you have to do is just click on the right-hand side. Make sure you select all. So you could do a Control-A as an apple, and then Control-C, which will copy it. We're going to go back over to Hercules. Over here it says HTML. Now you have to be gold member to do this. Click on source. I'll paste it in there. Click on source again. Make sure it's exactly what you want it to be. And here I want it to go to my Textbot site. So I'm going to copy that again. I'm going to put it to my Textbot site, which if you've done that before, it's already in there. Here you can grab this, hit copy. All right, so now I know everything's in there. I also could make this clickable, so click on it, change it, make it into a link, click, whoops, I already took it out, sorry. Jump back over and grab that link again, copy, sorry if I'm all over the road here, jump here, go here. Now on target, I like to make a new window, hit OK. Now when someone clicks on that, it's clickable. So now I have everything right here in for my regular mailing, and it's ready to go. Hit submit ad, and only submit it once. Just let it do its thing. It is a little slow. In the lower left-hand corner, it will say that it's working. So waiting for Herculist, just let it do its thing, and then it will post for you. So we'll give that a second. It's thinking there. You'll get another ad, but I'm going to go click at the top here and click back to mailer. And I'm actually going to go home. And you can do the exact same thing on the right hand side, so you can do both sides. And right here, Leah, skyrocket your business with this. So when you click on that, it opens up with my message in there. So all of those are clickable to go to that website, and my image is clickable. So you can make everything clickable, making sure that it goes directly to the website that you want to go to and to be able to share that information. So right here will be everything that they can learn about Textbot, and it's not just the same exact page as Textbot that everybody else is posting. So do something a little bit different and do that. But if you would like to learn a little bit more about Herculist, or Herculist, I think is how it's said, just go ahead and click on the link down below, click on the gold package and get started. This is absolutely amazing. You can do any business that you want in here. You can change and alter it every day, and as a gold member you can post every day. So right there is the information I just posted. Make sure to click on subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Bye for now.